Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Market Hub. Today in this video, we are going to discuss three main important things that are happening currently. So we'll go one by one. Uh, Let me start with the first one. So the first one is the global current situations, the Iran and US war. So the second one, we can look at Nifty key levels. So this is the second one, and then we can have a chat regarding the actions. Being an investor, what action you guys can take. So let's start with the first one. So the first one is current global situation. Since there is war between US and Iran, it's still going on. There is a escalations, and then they'll have a negotiations talks, and then it's keep happening. I don't know when it'll end, but it's happening currently. So that mainly impact the crude price. Since India imports 80% of its Brent crude from Middle East, we can see the dip again, which might happen if it's keep going up. Currently, I think oil is again started going up. If you just see the oil levels, the Brent crude is at trading at 94.75. This is a live market. Again, it's up by 4.8%, right? So this is not good for the market. So it's still going up. I don't know when this negotiation talks will end. So this is the one of the key factor why we might see the downtrend in our market. The second one of the important factor is FII living. If you guys are seeing, they're like constantly selling the Indian market. So this is one of the second scenario. I think till the time uh, this war gets over and our rupee value get increases, I don't think FIs will come back. So that is also one of the main important thing that is causing our market to fall. So these are the main global situation. I think rupee, our finance minister told it might do well, but I don't know when. It's still trading at 93 point some change. So that is the global thing. And if we just quickly take a look at Nifty levels, uh, so far there is a good rally that happened. Maybe I just go back and see 6 month levels. If you see, our market is at 26,000 in Feb month, and it like sudden fall till 22,200 level, almost 10 to 11% fall suddenly in a month. There are a lot many things that happened in the month of March. Everyone knows about it. I think there is nothing special post that we have seen the great rally in our market. Maybe I'll just make it as a full screen. So yeah, here if you guys see, there was a sudden drop down. Maybe I'll just use this highlighter 1 second. So, oh my god. Yeah, if you just see this, there is a drop down, and then there was a gap up happened here actually, but again it got filled. So there is nothing to worry about Indian market for now. I think there is a rally which is happening, but this rally to sustain, we need the war to end soon. Otherwise, again, we might see a phase like it will be sustaining in this zone itself, 26,300. I think top was 26,300, right? 357. The same zone it will be keep going up and down. To cross this 26,000 level, we need everything to be sorted out as soon as possible. So my idea is Nifty might reach uh, 28 to 29,000 level by end of or mid of 2027. That's what I am hoping for. If you guys don't know me, I am investing in Indian market from uh, 2020, I think post COVID, that's when have started. I have seen I have started journey in the mid of COVID fall, so I have seen little market down there as well, and then post I have started. I joined the rally, the bull run, which have lasted for 2 years, and I have made a good returns. Again, there is a fall in the market, so there are a lot many things to cover. Maybe going forward I can plan accordingly and I can go one by one video and I can cover the things. So for now this is what it is showing. If it falls also, I think there might be 3-4% fall up and down which we can expect, but the current strong support is at 21,800. I don't think market will fall till here, because if it would have fallen, it would have fallen this time itself. But again, it took a V-shaped recovery. In last 1 week, we have seen good recovery in our market, so I don't think it will fall again from to this 21,800 level. This is a very rare case. I don't think it will happen anytime soon. So from here onwards, we might see a good recovery. That's what I am assuming. So this is the second thing. Being an investor, what you guys can do is stay invested. That is the only thing I can suggest you guys, because from the recent falls there are so many people who are closing demat accounts, taking out money and leaving the market. But if you guys also do that, there is nothing much you can do. You will just lose your money. So in the current situation, keep dumping the money how much ever you have. This is the time which is an accumulation phase, which is an investing time. You should not lose your hope and you need to keep investing. This is not a time to stop SIP. If you are doing SIP, you can continue it. And if you have lump sum based on the different sector, maybe I might do a video on those sector and mutual funds, how we need to choose a mutual fund, which sector we need to go and invest. Just as an educational purpose, I can come up with those videos in the future. But for now, don't stop doing an SIP. Quickly, if we take a look at different, okay, small cap is open. I think yeah, 3 years, 5 years. So if we see the valuations, let's come from Nifty 50 itself. That is our biggest top 50 index. So the Nifty current P is at 21.4. If we go back and see the historical Nifty fee, so the median P is 23.4 and current P is at 21.4. So we are currently not overvalued. The top 50 companies of India is still undervalued, not fully undervalued, but these are like fairly valued. There is still a gap to fill. So this is the time where you guys need to keep investing, and this is a time where intelligent people make a lot of money. So if we check the mid cap, I think mid cap also seen good recovery. Yeah, let's check mid cap. The current P is 34, and if we see last 5-year PA, which is 30, it's not fully overvalued. If you see uh, October September level, where the market was at peak 26,000 level, the PE was like crazy. The mid cap PE was 44, but currently it is not that level. It's not fully overvalued. There is a gap to fill. So but if it depends on the risk appetite and everything. If you have long horizon, then you can go with mid cap and small cap. Let me show you the small cap as well. If you just take a quick look at small cap 250, the median P is 29. I think small cap space is the one which fell more in the last 2 years. I think individual stocks gone crazy, more than 30 to 40, 50. If you are like 60% down from their all-time high. So the small cap space is also looks quite attractive. I can't say it's fully undervalued. It's little bit okay. But if everything sorts out, if war ends and if crude comes to its normal level and if FII flows come to our market, then I think they will directly come to a large cap space itself because that is what is looking attractive now. But being an investor, based on your risk appetite, you can choose where you want to go. But going forward, I'll be making videos on all this stuff. You can start subscribing to the channel. If you like the video, you can hit the like button. For more content, you can subscribe to my channel. Maybe next time, based on your interest, I can come up with a videos. So my plan is to make a roadmap for different set of people based on age. I'm thinking of that one, and then maybe 1 crore roadmap or salaried person how they can invest, and then different mutual funds. There are a lot many things in my mind. Maybe based on the timing, I can come up with a video. So for now, that is it. Take care till the next one. Bye bye.